Hi, this is Avra, Director of Online Learning for EdTechTeacher. In a previous tutorial, you learned how to log in to Canvas on the web. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to access the Home and Announcements pages of your Canvas course. So let's get started. After logging in, the first page is your dashboard, which shows you the courses in which you are enrolled. Click on the course card to launch your course. Navigate the pages of your course by clicking on these words on the left side of the screen. This is your course navigation menu. Notice that the home page is automatically opened. This page outlines important course information. Simply scroll to view the course schedule, names of your online instructors, and how to contact our help desk at help@edtechteacher.org. Next, let's look at announcements. Click the word Announcements in the navigation menu. All announcements that have been sent are visible. Click a specific announcement to open it. These announcements are emailed to the address listed on your user profile. If you are not receiving them, please check your spam folder and allow emails from notifications@instructure.com to be received in your inbox. Announcements will be sent to alert you about important course information, such as modules opening, reminders, and deadlines. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, remember to email your online instructors at help@edtechteacher.org.